Ekajati is generally considered one of the three principal protectors of the Nyingma school, along with Rāhula and Dorje Legpa. She is the principal guardian of the Dzogchen teachings, particularly the protector of the revealed, treasured Terma tradition. This one-eyed form of Ekajati is unique to Tibetan Buddhism and personifies the essentially non-dual nature of primordial energy. Ekajati's single eye gazes into unceasing space, a single fang pierces through obstacles, and a single breast nurtures supreme practitioners as her children. She is naked, like awareness itself, except for a garment of white clouds and tiger skin around her waist. The tiger skin is the realized siddha's garb, which signifies fearless enlightenment. She holds the eviscerated, dripping red heart of those who have betrayed their Vajrayana vows in her right hand.